Beyond simply changing your password, adopt security best practices. Aim for passwords that are 8 to 64 characters long, using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Change your password regularly, ideally every 3 to 6 months. Consider enabling MAC address filtering to whitelist trusted devices. Disable WPS Wi-Fi protected setup to prevent PIN-based attacks. Stay updated with the latest security trends. Simple mobile hotspots are evolving with features like AI-driven password management, zero-trust networking models, and integration with biometric authentication. Future hotspots are expected to use quantum-resistant encryption for enhanced security. Keep your device firmware updated to patch vulnerabilities and consider upgrading to newer hotspot models that support WPA3 encryption, a more secure standard than WPA2. By staying proactive with security measures, you'll ensure a safer and more reliable hotspot experience.